Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your remote is registered to the Hamburg Emergency Service and that the app shows your correct phone and ID. Turn on GPS and mobile data so location transmits. Once done, charge the remote above 50% to avoid dropouts. Test the panic button briefly to confirm a signal reaches the system. If the device supports pairing, make sure it remains paired to your phone. This prevents delays when you actually need to trigger an alert. You now perform the action. Press and hold the panic button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks or the app beeps. This sends your GPS location, device ID, and optional audio clip to Hamburg Dispatch. Make sure the app shows a confirmation message. If you see no confirmation within 20 seconds, repeat the press once. Do not spam the button. If still silent, call the fallback emergency number immediately and tell them you tried the remote. This ensures help is requested even if the device failed. You finish by staying on scene and communicating with dispatch through the app or phone so responders know your status. Update your condition as it changes. If you triggered a false alarm, cancel using the app cancellation code or call dispatch quickly to avoid unnecessary response. If the remote fails to send alerts, reboot the device, repair Bluetooth to your phone, and re-register in the settings. Once done, run a quick test. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity issues and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.